How y'all doing? I hope you have a wonderful day. Today I'm back on the track. It's been a week since I film or make video. I've been busy, guys. I've been dealing with a lot of stuff. I moved to my place to another place, so I was just being busy. I didn't have time to make a video or film or practice my English. So I just back on the track and today I was just trying to make a video and back on the track. So today in this video, we're not gonna talk about anything related English practice or my English, but we just guys, I'm gonna let you know I'm just back on the track and I was busy on making video, but I was practicing my English, of course. Hopefully, I was practicing. Here is my book. I was learning, writing, just writing. Yeah, I was writing English, I was practicing on myself, also calling friends and practice with them. But I was busy on making just video. I didn't make any video since a week, I think almost a week or few days. So and I apologize for those who wait in my video or just want to watch my video. I don't know, is anybody really waiting my videos? But there's more people watch my kind of videos. So if you used to watch my video and you didn't see anything, I apologize to you because I was just being busy and life's kind of unpredictable. Sometimes you just getting busy suddenly and you just disappear for quite a while. But always I just try to show up, back on the track. If I There was a book I was reading and they saying that if you miss once and you should back on the track, but if you make twice, you're making a habit of procrastinating or delaying or just skipping your task. So if you when you're practicing English or whatever you're doing in life, you can get busy, you can get something, anything can happen when you this is life. So maybe you get sick or you go to hospital or you have exams and you get busy. So when you deal with that, think is just back on the track. It's never too late. So for me, that's what I do. I always sometimes I get busy week or few days and always I just try to get back and keep trying, keep practicing my English. So I think it has been not for me. I was just practicing my English. I was just speaking English. I was waiting English. I was reading. I was doing all of that, but I haven't. I haven't. I think I haven't made a video. So that's what I'm just busy about. But I was doing anything else. Like I was practicing, writing, reading books, and doing all those parts. So I hope you like this video, guys. I don't have anything to say because the video is not related about my practicing. It's just about, my I was just telling you guys the reason I was missing it was just because I was busy. I'm moving to another place, So I was, just taking my things, my luggage to another place and out getting me busy and just preparing myself to another place to feel home, just but I never too late. And I hope you like this video and you having a wonderful day. You're practicing your English, whatever you're doing in life. I hope you the best all you all and as me as well. I'm doing all right, just a little bit busy, but hopefully I'm going to make more video. If I make a day, I'll try to make another day, another video, because making video, it improved me a lot. It make me keep on the track and, motivate me to keep going, to practice my English. And also it make me confident to make video and improve my content creation. So every day I just try to be better and learn new skills that I didn't know before. So do it the same way, learn and watch those people who better than you or on something. Maybe if they know something you don't know, it's just a lesson for you. So just learn from them and try to be better, and just, yeah, that's what I do for as well. I don't do that, but I want to do that, because if you watch people who better than you more chance to be like them or better than them. So for me, I watch people who learn English and becoming fluently, and I just try to become fluent too. So I think this video become more longer. I don't want to make a longer video, but I hopefully see you guys next video. I hope you all the best and have a good one.